Hey guys, Nat here from Magic Fingers Graphics. If I could go back in time, say 10 years ago, and tell my younger self a piece of advice, I would say that you can't steer a ship that isn't moving. A ship parked at a dock is impossible to move. It's not going to go anywhere. The only thing that will steer that ship is movement. Movement creates the opportunity, and a step forward is progress, no matter how small. So come along to launch. You're going to learn heaps of new things. You're going to take a step forward in your growth, your business, your networking, your appetite. You're going to have fun, you have a blast, you're going to go home and geek out because you've learned all of this amazing stuff. You've met some cool new partners and others, and heck, your business is just going to benefit. So I'll be there at launch. The first one was great. I hear that this one is bigger and better, and yeah, I'm going to be sharing about a little bit about award-winning design, some behind the scenes info, maybe some tips and tricks. So if you come armed with your burning questions, might let you in on a few secrets. Grab your tickets and I'll see you there in April.